Last guest left the key on the counter. Dust motes dancing in the air. Desert wind, a lonely town crier, whispering secrets no one will share. Faded turquoise tiles all around, cracked and dry, a forgotten sound. And the clouds began to gather, a distant rumble, a low soft sigh. The sky turned bruised, a dramatic lather, as the first drops fell from on high. And the shallow wind began to fill up, a mirror forming, standing still. Oh, this jukebox in the shallow wind, its paint tubes glow, a lonely friend playing the same slow song for the parking lot, a melody the desert forgot. My gentle light on water sheen, the loneliest sight I've ever seen. Chrome reflects a face that isn't there, just the ghost of a memory's trace. Hairline cracks beneath the glare, time has etched this lonely place, a vacancy sign, a distant hum, waiting for someone to come. Now the storm is truly raging, raindrops drumming on the metal case. Every single song is aging, lost within this empty space. The water's rising deep and wide, with nowhere left for dreams to hide. This jukebox in the shallow end, its pink tubes glow, a lonely friend playing the same slow song for the parking lot, a melody the desert forgot. My gentle light on water sheen, the loneliest sight I've ever seen. Then it skips, a sudden stutter on the chorus, a broken plea, like a heart that's torn asunder, lost between what used to be and the endless empty night beneath the pale moon's fading light. Starts over louder now, singing in the pouring rain. A neon heart makes a final vow to echo through the joy and pain. This jukebox in the shallow end, a broken promise, a faithful friend, a gentle light on water sheen, the loneliest sight I've ever seen.